Did you know that making your own kimchi could transform your gut health? This spicy fermented dish is not only delicious, but also packed with probiotics that can enhance your digestion and boost your immune system. Try this today. All you need is Napa cabbage, salt, garlic, ginger, red pepper flakes, and fish sauce. Begin by slicing the cabbage into quarters and sprinkling it generously with salt. Let it sit for a couple of hours until it wilts and releases some moisture. Meanwhile, create a flavorful paste by blending garlic, ginger, fish sauce, and red pepper flakes in a bowl until smooth. Once the cabbage has softened, rinse it thoroughly to remove excess salt. Then mix it with your spicy paste until every piece is coated. Pack the mixture tightly into a clean jar, leaving some space at the top for fermentation gases, and seal it. Let it sit at room temperature for about 3 to 5 days, depending on your desired tanginess and flavor intensity. Imagine a vibrant side dish that not only enhances your meals but also keeps you full and energized throughout the day. Would you try this? Share your thoughts and your favorite healthy food hack below.